We now are going to do the wiring for the IRB 4-225. With the connection box, you will see there's also two links. There will be another link of a wire that we're going to insert when connected to the fan. Looking at the wiring diagram, we can see that the links is connected across between Z and X, Y and V. So we are now going to insert the links between Z and X. And then U and V. Okay. We will now use our own link and we will link up the TP on your right hand side, furthest to the right, the TP, and we will link that up with the first link at the bottom left hand corner, which is the U point. The first bottom left. Connecting the 3-core cable as indicated on our wiring diagram. Our neutral goes to the point W, which is the bottom right hand connection. Bottom right hand connection, that is where our neutral goes. Very important, make sure that you fasten the connections properly. Our live, we connect to the middle TP. Our live goes to the middle TP. I've connected to the middle TP. Our earth, it goes to the earth point, which is the point furthest to your left. For illustration purpose, you will notice that we've connected our cable directly over. But in practice, you actually should punch a hole through the gland here and connect it via the gland. You will also notice that looking at your diagram, you will see that the live goes straight to your U point. But in our connection, we take the live through the thermal protection and then bridge it out to the U point. So live goes into the thermal protection point 1 and it comes out, and then it is feed to the fan. That is how we do it.